my little book collection. Well, some of my books. I washed my car first, so I'm going to Barnes & Noble next. I finally found Starside. Do you want some ice cream with this show?
Can you put up this fire that burns inside of me before I lose it and go out of my mind?
Yeah.
Stop pulling on my scarf. As a mom, you never get to eat alone, even when they already ate. Ooh, it's giving like military girly. My kids love Bluey. Don't we all love Bluey? Ready to head out. I put on this green shirt before doing my hair and I realized that it's giving army, like army green. I look good though, so army green it is today. I'm about to go run some errands with my husband and my kids. He plans on going fishing tomorrow. He has to go get another cast net from Academy or some type of net. And we also have to stop at Lowe's. And then I have to come back home, cook dinner, vacuum up my living room, which is full of confetti because for Easter, our kids did like these Easter eggs that were filled with confetti. And the living room looks crazy now. So it's just gonna be a day full of errands and chores. But first, coffee. Y'all, I love the Great Value Caramel Macchiato. This is one of my favorite creamers. I got some book mail today. I ordered from Nerdy Ink. These are like their editions of Pride and Prejudice and Emma. I have absolutely no intention on reading these at all, but they're so pretty online that I had to order them just to display on my bookshelf. Look at this. Oh, look how pretty. I'm not going to read these. I've already seen the film for Pride and Prejudice. I have this thing about books, like if I watch the movie first, I'm not going to read the book. But if I read the book first, then I have no problem watching the movie and I can like critique the things that they left out of the movie. I have not even read Emma or seen a film on it, but it was so pretty that I said I'm going to order them both. So now I have more stuff to add to my bookshelf. What do y'all think about it right here? I think that'll do for now. So I'm missing the one down there because I'm currently reading it, the last one of the Crowns of Nyaxia, and I'm collecting the Fairy Loot editions of them. And then I also got the pre-order for Slaying the Vampire Conqueror, which I'll be doing an unboxing for also. But this is like my little book collection. Well, some of my books. I also have a bookshelf full of books over here. Can't really give a full tour of my office because at this point it's an everything room. I have my candle business stuff in here, my YouTube stuff in here, and also my realtor stuff. So it just looks absolutely crazy in here. But I love them. Look how cute. I'm probably gonna move them later. It just makes such a cute little statement piece. Speaking of candles, y'all, this is one of my first models of my vanilla cookie candle. This one is actually discontinued. I took the little wax melts off the top because the colors, they kind of fade. So now if y'all order a vanilla cookie candle, there are not the little cookie melts on the top, and it's a little bit lower too so the lid doesn't dig into it, but the scent is the exact same. This is one of my top sellers. So cute. And if y'all want to shop my candle line, it's freshandflourished.com. I have free shipping on orders $50 or more. So yeah, y'all go support your girl. Also, look at all the little pink accents I've added to my kitchen. I am a bit of a Hobby Lobby obsessed person. Look at the little canisters. I showed you guys I went to Hobby Lobby and I did a quick little reel on the spring stuff that they dropped. I'm living for it. And look how cute the little picture is. I'm using it to hold these like faux flowers. It makes such a cute vase. So now I'm gonna get started on dinner. Tonight I am smothering bone-in steaks with brown gravy, a little bit of some southern food, and some yams and some canned green beans. And I need to do a couple of dishes also. So I'm gonna put those in the dishwasher and then we're gonna get to cooking. Got the bone-in pork steaks. Hey, Baba. I'm so hungry. Got a few errands to run. I'm gonna head to Barnes and Nobles to see what the book of the month is. And also I'm gonna go get my car washed. There are so many car washes out here and they just keep on opening more and more of them. When I go run errands with my kids, I jam kids music the whole time through because I'd rather listen to kids music than listen to crime. I washed my car first, so I'm going to Barnes and Noble next. Little outfit of the day. One of my fresh and flourished business shirts, some acid wash jeans, and the mom Crocs, of course. King of Ashes. I'm gonna get a croissant and spinach and feta pretzel. I finally found Starside. I've been living in the comment section, so I've heard already good and bad things about it. Don't know if I wanted enough to buy it. I haven't even read Lightlark yet. I heard this is really good, although some comments that the main character like falls a lot or something, like she's clumsy or stuff just happens to her. None of it is his. He is the embodiment of a deadly warrior. He doesn't stop, and neither do I until I trip over something. Oh my gosh, she really is falling over stuff. Look at these Barnes and Nobles exclusive editions. So pretty. A little snack.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's make some spaghetti. Green bell pepper, that's just some I had left over. Some red bell pepper, I just cut this. And some chopped yellow onion. And some mushrooms. I'm gonna cook this down until the onions and the bell peppers are caramelized. And then I'm gonna add my sauce. Ragu's Old World Style Traditional Sauce. This is such a good tasting store-bought spaghetti sauce. There we go, that's so much better. Do you want some ice cream with that shell?